Hello and welcome back to Simply NUC. I am Sean, your Senior Support Technician here in the Support and RMA Department, and today I'll be providing you with some tips on how to safely ship your Raptor Canyon. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the unit. We are going to unscrew the top panel here. There's one screw on the back, and then we simply lift up and it'll snap right off. We can set that off to the side. Then we're going to pull the side panel off. This one just slides right out. You can grab it and just pull it right off, exposing the element and the GPU. Once we get this side off, we will turn it around, and we're going to do the same with the other side panel. We're just going to pull right out and lift up. Once we have both panels off, we're going to flip it upside down so the GPU is facing right side up. We are going to lift up on the bottom, take that directly off. Now that we have the system open, exposing the PCB as well as other elements in the computer, always make sure you're wearing your ESD safe protection, either a wrist strap, foot strap, as well as your ESD smock. And this is what we're looking for here, is this space. Right here, there are some mounting screw holes for mounting a bracket to hold your GPUs in place. Now, not all GPUs will have a bracket to hold it in place, so what we recommend is taking an ESD safe piece of foam, 27 millimeters thick, and we will scoot your Molex connectors out of the way, and we are going to slide this in between the GPU and the fan housing. Once the foam is installed, that'll keep your GPU from shifting during transit, which will cause damage to the PCIe lane or the GPU itself. Once installed, you'll put the unit back together and it'll be ready for transport. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.